Hello, Standard 6. Your Arun sir going to teach Geography Chapter 5 Minerals, and it is Part 2. What we have discussed in Part 1, we have discussed that what is mineral, what are rocks, how the rocks are formed, what are ores, and about the mineral resources. We have also discussed about the types of minerals, means organic and inorganic, the example of organic mineral and the example of inorganic minerals. We have also discussed the two type of inorganic mineral, that is the metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral, and their examples we have discussed. Now, a question arises that how these minerals are extracted from the earth. Means we are going to discuss about the mining. Okay, how it is taken out from the earth. If you are staying in Khalari, you have must seen the mining of this coal. Okay. Now, a question arises, let us think about this. The extraction of mineral resources from the earth. Mining means extraction. Extraction of mineral resources. Mineral resources from the earth. Now, whatever you have seen in Khalari, is same method is followed to take out oil? No. Means it depends on the nature of the mineral, that how it should be extracted. The method depends on the depth also, that which mineral is located at what depth, and according to that we have to take out. Think of the mineral which is extracted in Khalari. Simply it is broken and taken out by lorries or trucks. And think of this coal only which is extracted in Raniganj. The labor has to go deep in the earth, and from there it is extracted and sent outside. Means it depends on the depth, that at what depth of the earth the minerals are located. So there are different methods of mining. Okay, one is quarries. It is a method of mining. What are quarries? Okay, if the mineral is located very close to the surface, simply it is taken, and that method is called quarries. Means in Khalari you are seeing quarries, or that is also called as open pit mining. Quarries, it is also called as open pit mining. Okay. Next method which we have to discuss, and that is the drilling or deep holes. Okay. When the mineral are located under the surface, deep hole called shaft. Deep hole are called shafts. Deep hole is made, and we have to go there, and from there the mineral is taken out. This method is called shaft mining, and other is mining of this coal and petroleum. Okay, the process of extraction of mineral oil is called drilling. Okay, now three methods we have discussed: quarries, which is called open pit mining, or shaft, deep hole is made, and other is drilling. In drilling, either by oil well, the oil is taken out, or simply pipe, as we take water, boring. That method is followed in the case of drilling. So different methods we have discussed here. Three methods we have discussed. And mining, it is a very good branch of engineering also. You can do mining engineering after +2 science with maths. Mining engineering from ISM Dhanbad. Indian Schools of Mine is located in Dhanbad in our Jharkhand only, and from there you can be a mining engineer, and there it will be taught how to take out these minerals from the earth. So it was about the mining. Now the main thing, which mineral is distributed where? Okay, that part is important. So let us discuss distribution of the minerals. In distribution of mineral, let us discuss about the iron. Means both distribution we will see in world and in our country also. In our country we will discuss later on. But first let us discuss in the world where the iron is distributed, where it is present and in which form. If you remember, I have told that iron is taken out as a stone rock that is broken, refined, and then it is converted to iron. Widely used metal. All the machines are made up of iron only. Used to make steel. Steel is made up of iron only. Okay. And agricultural implements, all the machine agricultural implements, transport equipment, the track of the railway, that is made up of iron only. And what are the ores of iron? Very, very important question for the examination point of view. Means ores means a rock in which concentration of mineral is maximum. So that is very important question. 4 important ores of iron are there, and they are magnetite, the best quality of iron, magnetite. Second is hematite. Third one is limonite. And fourth one is siderite. So there are 4 ores of iron. These are the rocks from which iron are taken out. Magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Now, as I have told, the best one is magnetite, contain highest concentration, highest amount of iron is present in magnetite. Okay. And commonly hematite is used. In our country we have got hematite. So very clear what is hematite, and these are the poor quality of coal. The poor quality of this iron. Where it is distributed, the main iron producing countries are Russia, Ukraine, USA, Canada, France, Sweden, Brazil, Venezuela, China, Australia and then India. Very clear? Means in these countries the concentration of iron is more. Next, coming to the copper. Very useful metal. Okay. And used in electrical industries. Used in electrical industries. Now a question arises, why it is used in electrical industries? Due to it, because copper is a very good conductor of electricity due to high conductivity. High conductivity. Give reason question. I may ask, why copper is used in electrical industry? The answer will be industry due to its high conductivity. Means it is a very good conductor of electricity. It is also used to make alloy. Used to make alloy. As the study we discussed that brass is made up of bronze. Bronze is made up of iron. Yes, sorry, copper and tin. Means copper is used to make this bronze. Very clear? Brass, bronze, German silver, in which they are the alloy in which copper is used. And where in the world this copper is distributed? Leading producer are the USA, United States of America, Chile, Russia, Canada, Zambia, Zaire, Peru and Poland. Very clear? Now coming to the next mineral, and next mineral is the bauxite. And let me make you understand that from bauxite is what? Ore of aluminium. Okay, ore, bauxite is the ore of aluminium, and from this aluminium is taken out. So naturally, if use of aluminium we are knowing, light metal used in the manufacture of aircraft, Hawai Jahaj, pressure cooker, okay, and electrical cables, but not better than copper. But electrical cables are bijli ki taar. Electrical cables are made up of aluminium, and abundant supply of electricity is required to take out aluminium from the bauxite. Okay, more amount of electricity is consumed to take out, and that process is called as smelting. Smelting means taking out aluminium from bauxite. Taking out aluminium, in short I am writing, from bauxite. That process is called as smelting. And for smelting, electricity is required. Means without electricity, we can't take out aluminium from the bauxite. And the main bauxite producing countries are Australia, Jamaica, Guinea, Suriname, Brazil, Guyana, Hungary and United States of America. Next, coming to the manganese. Next is the manganese. Okay, manganese. It is used in steel making. Used in steel making means with iron. This manganese is used to make steel. Okay. Also used in manufacture of bleaching powder. Used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Next, in electric batteries, this manganese is used in the electric batteries. So use, distribution is important, and glass article, ceramic pottery. Ceramic pottery is knowing, color pottery, rangeen bartan. Okay, tiles, bricks are made up of manganese only. Russia is the world's largest producer. Largest producer of manganese is Russia. Okay. And then after Russia, South Africa, Australia, Gabon, Brazil, India, China, Mexico, Ghana and other countries are there. So it was about the manganese. And next is the gold. Precious metal, काफी महंगा, used in making jewelry. Okay, used in making jewelry. Also a standard medium of foreign exchange. Means if we have gold our country, then foreign exchange is possible. Okay, the international monetary system is based on the backed by gold only monetary system. कौन देश कितना अमीर है डिपेंड्स ऑन द गोल्ड ओनली. द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ गोल्ड इज साउथ अफ्रीका, कनाडा, जापान, यूएसए, पापुआ न्यू गिनी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फिलीपींस, जिम्बाब्वे, घाना एंड अदर मेजर प्रोड्यूसर. सो इट वाज अबाउट द गोल्ड. नेक्स्ट कमिंग सिल्वर. Next to gold is the silver, used in chemical, photography and coloring glasses. Chemical uses chemical glasses, photography. Okay, this silver is used. And in India, Rajasthan, Jharkhand has got good deposit of silver. Major silver producing countries in the world are Peru, Mexico, China, Australia, Chile, Russia, Bolivia, United States of America, Poland and Canada. Next, uranium. Okay, it is used to produce or used in production of nuclear energy. Do you know what is nuclear energy? Think of electricity we are getting, and this electricity is produced either by burning coal, means thermal electricity, or by running water, hydroelectricity, and one is by breaking the nucleus of an atom of some element, and that element is the uranium. Even the atom bombs, because huge amount of energy is produced by this. In India, it is formed in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand, and we are fortunate that in Jharkhand there is deposition of uranium. Major uranium deposit of the world are found in Australia, Canada, Brazil, Greenland, Kazakhstan and Namibia. So it was about the uranium. So dear children, today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss about the distribution of minerals in our country, means in India, state-wise, place-wise, we will discuss that which mineral is present where. Thank you very much.